This webinar will be covering Aspect's variance display. Let us begin. Aspect has a host of useful displays, offering important details about the current state of production. The variance display is a very useful screen to get a quick overview of current machine and job OEE. On the left menu under Production, we select Variance. The window opens up with all machines, shown with a dial. What's important about this screen is the dial indicator represents variance from planned OEE. If we plan 3 hours for setup, and we achieve 3 hours, then no variance will be indicated, and the job will move forward on target. If we continue on target, based on the production rule standard, then no variance is shown or we may be slightly to the right. But if we fall behind in either cycle time, excess reject rate, or excess downtime, the indicator will represent our present position to the left, in relation to our site standard. This is a feature to expose our work to plan or work to standard performance. The machine number will also highlight green for running, red for down, and orange while in setup. The drop-down menu changes what is displayed, either job ID, or work order, or product. The Show Details button opens up the machine's details, so we can understand how the results are impacted. A is for availability, or downtime, P is for performance, or speed, and Q is for quality, or rejects. If we right-click on the machines, we will have the options of opening, production rule, work request, and job update. Detach button. This button detaches the monitor from the Aspect window. This allows us to minimize Aspect without minimizing the monitor screen. It is important to remember to reattach the window by pressing the same button again. Full screen button. This button is straightforward. To get out of full screen, we either click on the same button again, or press Escape on your keyboard. Area selection. We can choose to see the entire facility, or we could choose to see only specific areas within the facility. This brings us to the end of this webinar. We hope the information and examples provided here have been beneficial to you.